So the device in my hand is a smartwatch. This is beatxp marv neo smartwatch, and today's video we are going to show you how to reset the phone calls that we received using this smartwatch. So for doing this, you must simply open the menu in your smartwatch, and from there you can see Hades at the bottom. Just click the Hades, and from there you can see phone reset. So must click this phone reset. So confirm to phone call reset. So if you want to reset the phone calls you must simply click this tick mark, this green tick mark. So if you click this green tick mark, then you can see your phone call will be reset using the smartwatch. So this is the method. That is simply go to your, you can also take from here, you can also take this portion. Also another way is you can simply move your finger down like this, and from there here also you can take this option, and from there you must choose phone reset. To that you must press this green tick mark. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.